In this video, I will teach you how to run the program. I will assume that you have set it up properly by following the previous videos. The first thing you do is press the Run button on the main HeatSeeker file. It will prompt you to choose a model specification number to identify the set of model specifications you will be saving. Any number will do. I usually choose 0. Next, it will ask you what actions you would like to perform. Type the letter A and press Enter to see all actions. You will see that the collections are broken up into 3 main sections. Number 1 through 50 are 3D model actions. Number 51 through 90 are 2D model actions. Negative numbers are debugging, conversion, and saving tools. The main numbers you need to know are as follows. -1. This number automatically quits the program if you need to exit. 55. Generates a geometry with thermal properties. If you choose to use 51 instead, the program will only apply one thermal conductivity to the entire geometry, which is likely not what you want. 52 runs a single model from the geometry you have created. Collections 57 through 59 and 61 through 63 are used to queue up and run multiple different geometries. If you're a beginner, you will not find yourself using these collections very often. The other collections should be fairly self-explanatory, but I would specifically like to draw your attention to collections 64 and 68, which plot the temperature and heat flux across the intersection between the wall and the foam, respectively. When choosing your collections, the order that you input them into the system is the order that they will run. You need to make sure to use the following order. You must first generate some geometry, like using collection 5 or 55. Second, you must solve the model, like using collection 2 or 52. Third, you can choose as many analysis collections as you want, in any order that you want to use them. Fourth, I recommend that you choose collection number -4 to save all figures you created to the figures file. Finally, type the number 0 and press Enter, which tells the system that you are done inputting your collections, and let it rip. From here, follow any instructions that appear and you should be good to go. Here are some small tips that will aid you as you run the model. Tip number 1. You can analyze results without needing to generate geometry and solve the model every single time. You can do this by starting with an analysis collection and selecting the files that you would like to load. Tip number 2. You can call variables from the file while you analyze the models. For example, you can use the variable msd.wall.thickness, or TW for the short version, to call the thickness of the wall. Tip number 3. Remember to type the variable aResults into the command line at the end of the model solving to get the important results. This concludes my basic introduction to the HeatSeeker 3.0 program. You should have enough knowledge to know how to operate the program at a very basic level. Good luck and happy modeling!